Hi friends, my name is Mr. Jake. Today, let's learn how to make the letter U in sign language. Here we go. This is how you make a U, make a U, make a U. This is how you make a U in sign language. Very good, friends, we did it. We learned how to make the letter U in sign language. Now that we've done that, I think it's time to see what's hiding inside of our mystery box today. I wonder what incredible things we'll discover. Let's find out. Ooh, I found something. It's an ukulele. Wow.
Stop it, take us.
I wonder what else we'll find. Let's find out. What is this? It's an urchin. Okay, there should be one more thing hiding inside of our mystery box. Let's find out what it is. I found it! It's an umbrella! Wow! Ukulele, urchin, and umbrella all start with the letter U. Now, let's watch a video on urchins. An urchin is a small sea animal that is related to the starfish. They live on the bottom of most seas except for those in the polar regions. They are enclosed in a roundish shell covered with spines that can move. These spines help the slow-moving animal to walk and are also used to keep away enemies. Sea urchins are often shades of red and purple, and they eat mostly plant material. Urchin. Thank you for learning all about the letter U with me today, friends, and I'll see you again next time.